Sangai Festival Wagazang legislators Khani Yariwi Yangashena, the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Indicrity na Ngavawhaira. ITP Pingli Security Personnel na Force Henda Shijin Hawa the Imphal Katamnao Pingna Makhamaya protest Zathaira. Halelo, Tangkhul Express Pvt Ringphawon Zimik in a Pamidalay, Paobing Maisai na Nganang Rumsa. Yari na Makhamaya Laylala Sangai Festival Wagazang legislators Khani Yariwi Yangashena the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Indicrity Kokomi na Ngavawhaira Organization Chiwi IPR Subcommittee wi Convener Laikhuram Jayandana Chanpao Mikushogli Kahang State wi Miping na Sangai Festival Chili Makhamaya protest Tarik Makada Akathang Kacha Panichi Hagupok Zimik Shàkha Mangali Sagahaina Manipur we Angret he Chikatha Panit Panau wuivang Machamana the hangphangà the convener Jina Hanga. Protest Kasanao Pingli suppress semkhavai force in the state shorkar Paniji Hapokhawa the Kokomina Hanga. Thongju Assembly Constituency MLA Thongam Biswajit Singh Kala Nambol Assembly Constituency we MLA Thonaujam Pasanda Kumar Singh Anina Yariwi Makhamayali Matemila Nitre Hagupok Jili Wagazangji Matakak Naya the Kokomina Hanga. MLA Khani we Otsakji Yarina Gathada Shankhuirakala the Kokomina Khangasun Sahira Anina Wagazangji Yariwi Kokakasa Kakli khangasun Aina Ngaraichaya the Kokomina hangphangà. MLA Khani Jina Aniwi official capacity Aina Panit Jili Wagazang Satu the elected Minganing we Otsakji Machugyangkhawai Thongju Kala Nangbulwi Miping Jili Kasathaira. Itumi Kathana Pingna Yariwi Ningachangli Ngasungda Sahayakha Democracy we Kakhalat Malaytua Kala elected Minganing Kasa Aremang Sahawada Kokomina hangphangà. Achahon Tarik Makadamati Thang Tolai Thabili ITP Pingli Security Personnel na Force Henda Shijin Hawa the Imphali Katamnao Pingna Makhamaya Pongshok the protest Zathaira protest Chi Ayang Thor Pungtrada Akhoshikali CC Higher Secondary School we Katamnao Pingzang the Raj Bhavan li Governor li Memorandum Mikhawai via Atunupila Complex Pomle Vakashung Aina Security Personnel na tear gas rounds Khani Kapa Chidalay Chiwi Aina Katamnao Pingji Veterinary Department Office Sanjan Thong Shong Wahawa da Hanga. Now the Minganing Katumna Memorandum Chi Wamisanga da Hanga. India Today Nordistli Katamnao Akana Kahang Tolai Thabi Tarik Makadamati ITB demonstration Chili security forces na Yari Semkhavai force Henda Shichinda Awing Sot now Akali Sazahawa da Hangdalay Ana Hangda Zingkum Khani Tangkhai Lang the relief camps li Pamrakahai ITB Pingji Atumi Mashun wuivang protest Kasana Atumli violence Maningla Papta Kami Lerana da Katamnao Jina hangphangà. Dear guest ji Sakolmang Community Health Center ngalem kala katamnao phungjat kasa school bus shong kakapna da Makhamaya Shokvao Raj Bhavan li mikasang memorandum chili kahang school katamnao ping kala displaced persons li kathi charge sahawa dear guest shields school bus ngalem li kaphawa kala hospital premises li la kaphawa kachi phenhaira. Minors taràkha sajahawa kala health care facility pamli tear gas kakap china patients doctors caretaker pingli ngaching sakda kankhana medical services li sajahawa da memorandum chili hangphangà. Otsakji khutlai magasing regional pingli security na nghan kaka magacha chitheya da hangphangà ngaphei makadamati ocho chili michang magasa inquiry demand sahira katamnao ping ITP Kala regional ping kazàkahaili verify semkhavai kala worship arishang relief camps pamli ngarang da semkhavai security forces li jizakhmi pohaira. School bus ngalem li tear gas kaka personally accountable sang semkhavai khalai sakazı pingli lupa khangachon mikhawai pohaira katamnao pingchina Sangai Festival li Makhamaya Pongshoka ITP Thingthing Atumi resettlement Maphakhila relief camps li pamda leilakha nitreji khamion mangayi mana da katamnao pingchina hangphangà. Security personnel na katamnao pingchili Atumi worship li ngusung mi da rally ji kupsanghawa horthangwe Road Khamrachi Sijawa Kala Sombung Relief Camps with ITP Ping Pukhao Terabur Community Hall we aina Atumi Ram Eco tolai thabi kala satu yangkhuman le hanung urada chatkasana satu yangkhuman ngalem le security forces na athumle barricades hailaga kakham aina chili khon ka jar ka shokna da hangdalai
यार ऐसा क्या है इसमें जो हमारे सीमेंट में नहीं?
इसमें माइक्रोफाइबर है।
माइक्रोफाइबर यानी
जो दीवारों को रखे अंदर से मजबूत।
हमारे सीमेंट में नहीं है।
पूरे देश के किसी सीमेंट में नहीं है।
सालों की रिसर्च और सबसे आधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी से बनी है ड्यूरागार्ड माइक्रोफाइबर सीमेंट, जिसकी पेटेंटेड फाइबर युक्त टेक्नोलॉजी दे आपके घर को सालों की जबरदस्त पकड़। ड्यूरागार्ड, सीधी बात है, ड्यूरागार्ड खास है।
Hunphun katamnaw long na classes 6 aina hapok da 10 aina tangda we open competition examination rungmi ka highway saman mi shokvao. Hunphun katamnaw long na saman khami angran angye achahon tarik makada mati thang Zimik Central Plaza Conference Hall le khuikaya. Class 6 we aina hapok da 10 aina tangda class akhawe matha mai thui kachi phangale cash prices kala certificates mihaira kala class avavu we katamnaw tharale consolation certificates mihaira masowa Ukhrul Deputy Commissioner IAS Ashish Das na katamnaw pingchile technology shijin khawai kasata AI katama china magatama chile shinhaura kachi hangsanga khayawo IPS Pabidarani Swan discipline kala avu awale khaya kashiwe maramle kasatsanga Special guest Miss Shuri Lily S. Miss Singh Shaizana Hotkhana Machat Khawai Kasatsanga Hunphun Katamnaw Long na Room Khaminga Han Borikha Chili Worshim Makui Katamnaw Shachishat Kadana Sharuk Kuina Dahanga Hunphun Katamnaw Long President Thotharin Shangnai Suina Kamatwili Long Jina Ngaran Kamiji Borikha Le Mathalak Aina Sakhawai Kala Borikha Wuivang Khangaran Ne Katong Kami Paikar Akhana Dahanga Angaran Angye Je Academic Kakashung Tangkhul shukukhui we habits maling mai khawai kalang han li gazang aina katamnaw pingwe ning ka hak matha mai khawai ningrin aina rungkhamina da hanga Bharat Scouts and Guides with Diamond Jubilee Grand Finale Gala Tharada Kachiko National Jamboree Manipur with team la Wazanghaira Angaran Angyeji Defense Expo Ground Sector 15 Ringphawon Yochna Lucknow le Achahon Tarik Makada Thum Aina Hapokda Kachang Hiwi Tarik Makada Chiko Aina Tangda Rungmira Viksit Yuva Viksit Bharat Kachi Tukui Azingle Tharada Kachiko National Jamboree Chi Uttar Pradesh with Governor Ananti Ben Battle na hapok khamina Uttar Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides na mukhok mida Jamboree Chili Khanuthot Pingli Kasat Khami Features Ngatai da Changdalei da hanga Khani Thangwi Tron Shole Khoka Kasa Chingri ka Hai Kala Khanuthot Empowerment wi Kharchan Hangchithaira da hanga India li Scouting and Guiding zingkum Hangshini da Phanga ka Majut Mayonda Angran Angye Chili activities Ngatai da High Rope Adventures Ground Level Challenges Kala Amusement Zone la Hai Midalai Indian Air Force we Air Agnivir Exhibition li Defense Technologies Aviation Models Interactive Displays kala live demonstrations chithaimiya da hanga Artificial Intelligence Technology Leadership Innovation kala Creativity we workshop la rungmi da lai Manipur we Minganing Sada State Chief Commissioner Retired IPS Mayang Langbam Sushil Kumar la Jamboree Chili State Officials kala hangmatida akhawe contingently ngsoda changdalai Manipur team G Scouts Imphal East we khani Tamenglong we mati Maram we shini kala Thobal we mati changa kala guides na Imphal East we shini Imphal West we tharuk Tamenglong we akha Maram we thara changdalai Churachambur Shong Khutlai Haikasa Security Forces na Pakhuihaira Horthang Henglep Police Station we azingli Ningthijing Village we aina kilometers phanga shikhali khalai Bolneo area search operation khawana. Officials na kahang khutlaiji modified projectile launchers chini locally made Bambi projectile HE bombs tharada akha, country made single barrel rifles chini, country made pistols khani, pistols magazines khani, live pistols rounds katum, Baofeng communication handsets khani, bullet proof jackets chiko, anglets taruk, kala ammunition pouches chiko zanga. Authorities na kahang khutlai semkhavai athumna chatak le intensive operations we phaikar manga khawa chithaya. Security forces na district ngate dele domination and combing operations kazat lungsang mayonhaira da hang. Women's Action for Development WAD na International Day for Eliminations of Violence Against Women's mayonhaira join ang soda gender-based violence le khangasun Zimik tharada thurugwe activism la hapokda khayon tarik tharatang International Human Rights Day washung jagra. WAD na kahang achikum global team unite to end digital violence against all women and girls kachi hili panda online abuse, privacy violations, cyber harassment, kalashinaw pingle, exploitation kashokle khangasungli khokasakawai kakasatna. WAD Secretary Sobita Mangsada Bamna kahang social media kasing chungmay haukida Manipurli digital violence chungmay haira. Chidada online threats sampangkapaila laymay hawa da hanga. State to short hinala shinaw kala naw shinaw pingle violence kashok chungmay haukida WAD na kahang relief camps Li Leida Clay, Shinaw Kala National Taràkha Karing Karak, Makhamatha, Kala Basic Amenities, Makalay wuivang Chotlak and Leida Hanga. Organizations Tina Kahang, domestic violence, suicide, human trafficking, exploitation, Kala reproductive health services, Mathada, Masam Kapanghila, khamataiya issues, Ngasahaira, relief camps, li sanitation facilities, Mathada Makalay Jina, Shinaw Sanwi Kachot, Mataimaya da Hanga. Local newspapers reports li Panda, WAD na kahang, violence kala crime against women and children with cases, Hang Chikoda Chishat Kada record saya, Ji Achikum Tharao, Aina Hapogda, Taràkha, Aina Tangdawe along Lake Shokna. Cases Ji rape, Ocho Chiko, molestation cases Tharada Chishat, Mi Sakathat Tharada Phanga, Mi Shiman Kahai cases Tharada Khani, Ngakhak Kathi Shini, Pokso Azingli sexual assault Chishat, Now Paratli Khangasung Kathi Mati, Kala attempted rape, trafficking, assault, medical negligence, suspected Kathi Taràkha Shokvao Dahanga. WAD na kahang chikatha ochoche khangacha mangasa paimara ara khangacha sapokhaira da hanga kala chi dangerous strain na da hangdale hidada leilaga Manipur na gender equality wili UN sustainable development goal chi 2030 we alungli kathada sakhira khala kachi WAD na khanghan sahaira organization chi na Manipur we governor concerned authorities kala long now pingning akauda shinaw sanwe mashun ji mikumo we mashunna kachi muchut mi khawai kathong haira Thanna Manjuri University DMU we anti drugs Hostel Committee na Nisha Rally Khangasung Rally Zathaira Anti-Drug Rally chi Ayangator DMU Hostels Ngatay the way hostelers kala Wardens Tangda Mishamati Shikhana Vazanga DM College of Commerce Ladies Hostel Women's Hostel of DM College of Science MOPC Boys Hostels DM College of Commerce Boys Hostels, DM College of Arts Girls Hostel, DM College of Science Boys Hostel, DM College of Arts Boys Hostel, Kala GP Women's College we New Girls Hostel Katamnao Pingla, Rally Chili Sharokhuya. Nishari Shichin Khangui we Sagaz Maram Thing Sakhavai, Pasa Pakamai Karing Karak, surely Gotom Kamikala drug free campus Lake Havai Kasakta, drug addiction Khangasung le, Kanutod na Lungsangda Sharokhui Khavai, Rally Jili Gazat Mina Hangdale. Latluida Achu khamataiya Paobing. Sangai Festival Wagazang legislators Khani Yariwi Yangashena, the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity na Ngavawhaira. ITP Pingli security personnel na force henda Shijin Hawa the Imphali Katamnao Pingna Makhamaya protest Zathaira. achu pau hiling ajang haira pau ngana dak le na thum sai ko le ring pha kala khamahaya Zimik sho ngsa seranu